Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. All right, we're gonna change the battery on your 5-button smart key with the hatch. I use a flat tip screwdriver just because the button here on the side. Go ahead and put the flat tip screwdriver flush. You don't have to use the point of it, and just push it down. Pull your emergency key out. Since this is a Chevrolet GM remote, if you turn the remote and put it where you can see the emergency keyhole, go ahead and drop your emergency key back in, and just not where it drops all the way. There's a little lip, you'll see it. Put your emergency key in and just twist it, and just by twisting that, you just pop the side open, and you can turn around and use your fingers. It doesn't take much force to open these. Don't need to be Superman, Superwoman to do it. As you can see, here's your battery. Go ahead and take the flat tip screwdriver, put it under the battery. Battery's out. Put your new battery in, positive side down, and when you look at your remote housing, you'll see it's wider at the top, narrower at the bottom. Go ahead and put the two halves together and just start at the corner of one side and slowly work your way around it, and there you go, it popped together. With that being said, you've just changed your battery in your remote. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith, and let's be safe out there, and I'm glad you have the confidence you can do the job yourself.